One day, you didn't even know your mother was here. One day, if I'm not keep us, I may watch you on Saturday. You didn't even know your mother was here.
Jesus Christ is a stranger in Africa. You will definitely pack your load and go. We are telling you today to pack your load and go. All those evil havoc you are becoming, committing in our community, committing in Nigeria, committing in Africa. We tell you, Jesus Christ, pack your things and go. That you and all your followers, all your agents, that you people are fake. Those fake miracles that you people are doing stage manage, it is fake. We know it's fake. So if you know you can heal any sickness, Jesus Christ, we are putting this question to you. If you can heal any sickness, if your reverend fathers can heal any sickness, if they can heal any person that is sick, if they can cure any sickness, let them come and meet us on the 1st of November in Irua Specialist. I challenge all the reverend fathers, I challenge all the apostles, they should come so that they can heal any kidney patient there, they can heal any person that have liver problem, any person that have kidney problem, any person who is sick, so that they will just pray and the person will get up and go home without paying anything again from the hospital. So I want you people to come and I'm challenging every of you. You say you can raise up the dead. Yes, come there. They will bring out a dead person for you all to pray and let the person walk. You say Jesus Christ can give us light. Yes, we will look for one dead transformer so that you stretch your hand on it and pray for the transformer so that the transformer will give us light. So put on the light. They tell you that Bible did not burn. If you put it like this, it will not burn. But when you tear it one after the other, it will burn. So the Bible is just like other novel. If you carry any other book and put it just like this, it will not burn, burn because it comes together. So as they come to Africa, come to Nigeria, kill our mother, use our children to feed newborn baby. You can see this little child here now. This little child. If it is in abroad, they will be paying this child. So they put us in zero condition. So we don't want that any longer. So we want our children, we train them from school, and those our children will get jobs. So it's money. Yes. They say we know, but it's money. It's money. Look at it. It's money. They have killed so many of our mother by tricking them in Benin. Even when Dahosa was alive, Archbishop Dahosa, he burned so many of our mothers all over, destroyed them, made them to mad, killed them without saving them again. It's money. Look at it, it's money. So if you want to burn it, you tear it like this, it will burn. They tell you that you will not burn. That something will happen to you when you burn anything Bible. If not because the Muslim was very strong, the evil thing that the they say we know, but it's money. I think it's money. Jesus Christ, you must pack your things and go. Look at it. We are burning it now. Bring that up, bring that up. His body, they say we don't go. His body.
gee ntị n'ọkwa dị oke mkpa. Biko, ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a kobere Jizọs na befa, ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a na-akpa isi ala na-enye ihe, ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a jụrụ ejimara anyịnwa bụ ndị Igbo, ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a na-agwa gị eziokwu ịjụ ịnabata nya bụ eziokwu, ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a tụfuru ụzọ anyị si ekpere nya bụ Chukwu okike abịa ma wee na-esozi ụzọ ọzọ, ọ bụrụ na iso na ndị a je kpọrụchi mba ọzọ wee na-akpịsị ya na wee na-enye tụfuzie nke gị nwa. Biko nene ife onyonyo ọfụma, inenesie tụsara m ozi a ma kụọ peji a folo nwanne, kụọ peji a folo, nene vidio a mara na ọ bụ nya bụ Jizọs dị ife a. Daalụ.
Jesus dey Benin. Jesus. Jesus that greet me, oh Jesus greet me.
Ndị be anyị ekene m unu, eche mmasịdụ si woru nke Siza nye Siza, iworu nke Chukwu nye Chukwu. Kedu ife kpuchiri ihu na-eme n'ebe Reverend Sister na-emenu mmemme ka nna na-ajụ nụ, ebe a na-echi Reverend Sister, kedu ife kpuchiri iru na-achọ ebe afọ nọrọ ebe afọ, nya bụ ife ahụ kpuchiri iru edere ya amụsụ n'ahụ. Aghọtalọzi m ịma na ịnụ ka anyị na-ekwu gbasara nya bụ alụ nke na-eme n'ala Igbo na nke ikpeazụ a, ọ dịka gazi onwere nya bụ alụ ndị ụka na-akpa na nke ikpeazụ a, nya bụ ife nya bụ ekene na-achọzi ịkarị isi nku aka. Kirie ife onyonyo a ma tụsakwazi ozi a nwanne, kụọlụ m peji a folo. Daalụ na ụmụnne m.